Hey there, Richard with No Pants Profits, and it's time for a quick update. All three IPOs today just went live, and some are pooping, some are doing good, and some are doing insane. It is 12:20 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, November 17th. The last of the three IPOs coming out today that we reviewed just went live, which was Braze, and it has gone on a rocket ship to the moon for some reason. I don't think people realize how many people they're going to need to hire and how much expense they're going to take. But let's review what's happened with these three IPOs that launched today, which are SEV, which is Sono Group, Braze, and IREN. Jump over to the magic chart. We've got this. I did buy a little bit of each just to get them on the chart, even notwithstanding on my recommendations here. The first one to actually go off this morning was SEV, Solar Electric Vehicle, or the Sono Group, and you'll see that is up almost 100% from the IPO price. So you'll see I've made $567 just to share with you with Sono Group. I requested 100 shares and got 40 shares. So a lot of people are saying they might not get anything with Robinhood and different things like that. I requested 100 shares of Sono, got 40 shares of Sono. Remember, you've still got the danger with Sono Group that they are tied to Evergrande. Very, very important. Remember that. I've taken that risk. I've locked myself into 40 shares. That's not a huge amount of money. No, I'm out $500. But you see, while we're looking at this, right, if the poo-poo hits the fan, I'm out $500. But Sono Group is flying up almost 100%. Now, the next one to come out actually came out to a lot more FUD. You might say, what are you talking about? This is IREN. This is Iris Energy. If you remember what they do is a sustainable Bitcoin miner. They have one location in Canada right now that uses hydropower, that owns and operates real assets, including data center infrastructure powered by renewable energy. The listed name is... So here's the problem with IREN. Now, I'll show you what I got of IREN, just because that's what people like to see. So IREN, I requested 50 shares. Let's just see real quick. I think I requested 50 and I got 50. View IPO summary. We don't need to do that. Yeah, so I requested 50 shares of IREN and I got 50 shares of IREN. But why IREN is just cratering is because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's actually up a little bit, but if you look at the last period, this is why IREN's having kind of a tough IPO day. Now, if they were to have launched a few weeks ago with SDIG and the other big boys in the crypto space, we might be looking at a slightly different story. But the big story today is the guy who just came out probably about 45 seconds before I started this video, just came out with their IPO price, which is Braze, and you will see that is up 35%. And I put in a buy for 50 shares. I'll show you what I actually requested. I requested it, so I got 2 out of the 3. I got the full request I made. So for Braze and for IREN, I got the full request I made, and for SEV, I got 40% of my request. But you'll see Braze is interestingly on a tear, on a nice tear. Not on as much of a tear as SEV, but it is a much higher price stock. So the barrier to entry was a lot higher. It opened at $65. That was the IPO cost. And it's now sitting at $87. So up 34%. Again, really quick review. Let's just change this to percent change. SEV is up 94%. Yeah, you should be able to see that there. SEV is up 94%. Braze is up 34%. IREN is down 13%. And you'll see if I go to total today's return, again, we'll go through them. SEV, Sono Group, up 96, 94%. It's pretty volatile. And remember, I've locked myself in here. So if Evergrande happens, and this thing gets cut in half, and then we've got Braze up 35%, and Iris Energy, which is the Bitcoin miner, which is just moving along with Bitcoin, doing exactly what Bitcoin does, which is taking a dive right now. I'm not a crypto channel, but you know, if I were, I'll tell you, I'm actually buying some Bitcoin right now. This is Richard from No Pants Profits with your quick update on all of the IPOs that actually went off today. Hopefully when we get some new IPOs, because you'll see the pie right now, the IPO pie is a little bit empty. All we've got is Sweet Green, which Sweet Green comes out tomorrow, and we're going to definitely take a look at that. But you'll see, overall, these IPOs have done really well. We got a couple dogs in there. Well, those dogs are before our times. So the only thing sitting negative right now is Iris Energy from all of the Robinhood IPOs. This is Richard, yet again, from No Pants Profits, reminding you that even in these short videos, when you wear no pants, all you got left to lose is your shirt. I'll see you around for Sweet Greens. Bye.